Today's video is about creating an email with an Excel formula. Here's the best part: we are not just going to be adding the send to address to the email, but we are going to be adding a subject line and a body text without touching Outlook. This means you can create different templates depending on the sale value. Today's example is going to help all the HR peoples who are worried how to share interviews feedback with every candidates. Let me show you how you can set this up. So for example, here I have candidate names, I have their email addresses, their interview status, and whether they are shortlisted or not. So for candidates who have been shortlisted, we want to send a congratulations message. As you see, as I click on send congrats button, and an Outlook message appeared with a subject and a text body. Similarly, when I click on send regrets, a regret message is automatically appeared on Outlook. One more thing, when I change candidate status, it automatically change feedback message. Let's take a look at this step by step. Here I have a list of emails and I want to create a dynamic email hyperlink to this. Now, if you are going to do it manually, with just right click, go to the link, select an email address and type in the email address right here. So I would actually type in abc@hello.com, and notice that the moment I start typing, Excel actually adds the special syntax. Now if I start typing the subject line, it again adds this special syntax. It starts with a question mark, the subject equals, and then it puts the text I type in. Now this is the syntax that we need inside our formulas. Don't worry, I will take you through this step by step. So let's make this dynamic, because you could have lots of email and it's going to cost you a lot of time if you had to do it one manually. We will use if formula right here. Type equals if, open the bracket. Now in logical test we need to give a cell reference. So here I will select D3 cell as our feedback will depend on this cell answer, and then we will type equals to yes. So here we will give the syntax if the candidate is shortlisted, so drop an congratulations email. We will add a hyperlink formula. All the syntax we need for email we have to put in first argument here called link location. So we will type in open inverted commas mail to semicolon close inverted commas space and the sign of and we will select email address cell reference, then comma. So I'm just going to the next argument, which requires a friendly name. So basically what I want my link to be called, and I am going to put it send congrats. So this was the condition when candidate is shortlisted. Now false condition will be the syntax when candidate is not shortlisted. Use the hyperlink again, add the mail to formula, select the email cell reference and give the friendly name. This time I will give it send regret. So we have completed our first step. Let's check it. As I click on mailbox, it's appear, but we didn't add subject and a body text. So let's expand it. Let's expand on this and add a subject first. Now we have to expand link location argument by adding in the subject. For that, remove the inverted commas after and type space, open inverted commas, question mark, subject equals to, and we will write the subject line congrats and close inverted commas. Similarly, we'll add the subject syntax on the other side and give name of regret. Let's check it. Now when I click, I get the subject line right here. Now move towards the last step and expand the link location argument with the body text. Again, remove inverted commas, type space, put and sign and type body equals to, and we will type our body text here. I will type congratulations, you have been selected for brand manager position. Similarly, add it to the other side. So body text, it appear right here, but I want to add a line break right here after congratulations. For this we will type a character code right here. We will type dot percentage 0a. That's it. This is recognized by Outlook. So now when I click on this, it puts my second sentence on a new line. Okay, so now that I have it all set up, so I can just drag this down and send an regret email to Raw Amir, and just like we have correct email, subject line and a body text. So that's how you can use Excel hyperlink formulas to create a complete email and save yourself a ton of time. If you have enjoyed today's tip, give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, considering subscribe.